Hi friends, in this video we'll see Zebronics headphone with mic. This is a ZEB Thunder model. We'll unboxing of this headphone and how does it look like, what are available, etc. We'll see. Okay, so I'm just opening the box. So there is a Zebronics model, red color. I found a blue color also, but I chose red color. So we'll see first details in this thing. So this is having firstly wireless as well as wired connections. We can utilize any of them. We can have FM radio, and we can also use aux cable, so that is with wired mode. We can feed in micro SD and then listen to the songs. Then we can also connect it to phone and answer the calls and other buttons. So we'll see on the phone model directly. So this is a model Zebronics BT headphone with mic, ZEB Thunder. So I just purchased this through Amazon. So I'll see firstly what is available. So there is one headphone. This is a manual, user manual. Then there's some aux cable, and also this is one. This is charging cable. So we'll see how to connect all of them. And before that, we'll see how does it look like. So this is okay, and there is an headset adjustment, headband adjustment. Then this is having a cushion here on the head. When you wear this cushion also looks okay. Then ear cushions looks okay. I have to wear and see how does it really gives the comfort. And then there are some, this is a slot where I need to insert SD card. And there is a button here to the next, up or down, next or previous. Then middle button can use it for play or pause. Then yes, I think this is a mic, small mic. There is no extended mic here. This is a mic. I have to see whether it works good or not. And mic is given on the other side also, I believe. So that this can be used either from the left ear or right ear. That's why mic is here as well as here. Then I think this is a charging cable. I'll see that now. So this is a charging cable given. So this is as simple as the phone charging cable. Okay, so I can insert here. This is not fixing fully. Let me see. Okay, I'll see after while charging also. This is a USB, so I can connect there. Then I also have got charging aux cable. So this other end I can connect it to computer and I can use it, or to the mobile I can connect and use it. Then build quality I feel okay and little flexible also. And then there is a phone answer. We can answer the call using this button while using it for phone. But I'm not finding any volume increase or decrease buttons here. And also there is no pause button. Then size is okay, but may not be fine for children, because this is the minimum size. After this I can only extend the size. Okay, so I will use this and then get back to you within this video. How does it perform? We'll see that. Okay, so before I move on to use this, I just doubt this volume button, will it work for phone calls, or it is only for songs. I think this is not increase volume. This is going to next song and this is going to previous song. There is no increase of volume, I believe. I'll check it and get back to you on this. Hi, so I just used this headphones for a meeting about 1 hour, and I was able to hear the meeting properly, and my voice was also okay to them. Mic is here, so I have actually used this wide aux cable to the through laptop I have used, and now I'm also listening. Now I start a song now. I'm trying to listen the song. So I am able to hear properly, but any sound controls of the song, there is no control here, so I just give a sound to you also. I have disconnected now. Okay, now I'm connecting. Song is really superb, but there is no control of volume here, and I'm not able to stop also, and it's not working either for next or stop. So maybe those controls are with respect to phone, so I'll check with that. And with respect to meeting, was that fine? And then I'll come back to you after connecting to phone. Okay, so I'm using same headphone now with mobile phone. So I am playing a video. I'm able to hear properly, and I'll see something else, maybe other video. This is also okay. Okay, but I'm not able to pause it. I'll try again. No, I'm trying to pause this using pause button. It's not pausing. No next button, no forward button, nothing is working. I'm just able to hear. Volume control is completely through phone. Okay, no, so I can control the volume only through the phone, not through here the buttons. And but just now I have used this for attempting a call also, and I answered. So mic was working fine. My voice was audible to the other man, so that was fine. But with respect to controls of volume, no. So this is how this is working. So hope this has helped you to know about this product. So I'll see whether this really buttons are not for this purpose or this purpose. Otherwise I have to go for an exchange. So thank you for watching this video.